Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Hulu subscription and start watching thousands of shows and movies, follow these step-by-step instructions for easy setup. Step 1. Visit the official Hulu website at hulu.com using your web browser. Make sure you're on the authentic Hulu site for security purposes. Step 2. Click on the Start Your Free Trial or Sign Up button located prominently on the homepage to begin the registration process. Step 3. Select your preferred subscription plan from the available options. Hulu offers different tiers including ad-supported, ad-free, and live TV bundles. Step 4. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your Hulu account. This will be your login information for all devices. Step 5. Provide your personal information and billing details, including credit card information or an alternative payment method like PayPal. Step 6. Review the subscription terms, pricing, and trial period information. Make sure you understand when you'll be charged if you continue past the trial. Step 7. Complete the sign-up process by clicking the confirmation button. Check your email for a welcome message from Hulu. Step 8. Download the Hulu app on your smart TV, streaming device, mobile phone, or tablet. Log in with your new credentials and start streaming immediately. You can watch on multiple devices with a single subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.